Hello YouTube. So today we're making a paperback volcano, and we're gonna be having white vinegar, baking soda, scissors, our brown paper bag, food coloring, tape, and a bottle.
Alright, step 1. Invert the brown paper bag and cut or tear a small triangle off one corner to form a hole.
So like at the top?
At the bottom corner. Alright, step 2. Tear, cut, or fold or crumple and tape the bag to form a cone shape that will sit over the bottle, with the mouth of the bottle sticking through the cut corner of the bag. But don't tape the bag to the bottle. So stick your bottle in the bag and put the top in the corner. Make sure you take the top off first.
Take the top off first?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Big shout out to my mom. Drop a like if you love your mom, because she's telling me the directions.
Alright, so then you gotta crumple the bag around the bottle. But make it so the bottle could sit on the table.
It's not doing anything. Okay, everybody, we're back. It was some technical difficulties with this brown paper bag, but we got it to work.
Alright, fill the bag about halfway full with vinegar.
Did you screw the top on?
Yeah. Let me see how much vinegar is in there. Okay.
Close enough.
Okay. Add several drops of food coloring to your lava.
Wow. Okay. Drop. 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 Now for the green. My two favorite colors, blue and green. Drop. Drop. It's not coming out.
Uh-oh, is it empty?
No, it's some in there. Pretty much, though. Yes, empty. Okay. What's the next step?
Is that enough color? Or do you think you should add some more blue?
I think I should add some more blue. Okay, that's enough.
Alright. Tape a piece of paper together to form a cone. So your bag can cover the top of the bottle.
So tape the bag up?
Yeah, like pull it up a little bit over the mouth of the bottle.
So now I'm going to add my baking soda and the final result.
Move it. Ah!
Still some more.
It probably won't come out because it's wet.
Anyway, smash the like button, like and subscribe. Comment down below what the favorite part of the video was. And bye. Peace.